First gator of the morning. This is Lake Manatee. Doing some bass fishing. Gator number 1. So far, y'all, lots of gators, no fish bites. I'm using this minnow. That's what I'm starting with. We'll give this a few more tries. And we might switch to a spinner bait. So I've been fishing the side like this. No luck. I fished that grass for like 5 minutes. Nada. All right, y'all. We're switching to these. Zoogie bug. We're gonna give her a shot. We're on Lake Manatee. I'll tell you what I've seen so far are massive, massive tilapia. There was a tilapia like that big and it was completely white, which is interesting. Got something on the micro rod. Something on the micro rod, something little. Oh, it's a catfish. All right. Better or nothing. Get my little doohickeys. So I switched to the beetle spin and we caught us a cat. Look at that. I hope y'all can see it. Now I want to be careful with their spine. Don't want to get stuck. Woo! That's what we're using. Beetle spin. So the Zuki wasn't getting us anything. That makes me wonder if I should switch the Zuki to the spinnerbait. That may happen. Let's see if this little, oh no. Let's see if this little nook here will produce. Oh, yes it will. Feels like another cat. Definitely. Woo! Oh! Self-release. All right, so the beetle spin is working. So it's looking like for the longer rod here, I'm gonna put the spinner bait on and we're gonna see if that one will produce. It's probably also gonna catch catfish, but you know, we're catching something. I would like to catch some bass, but you know, at least we didn't get skunked. And so I'd say the first hour, nothing, not a nibble, not a bite, not a anything. I was first using a minnow lure, didn't work. Used the Zoogie bait, didn't work. Got the beetle spin on the micro rod, produced. And so we're having a good time so far. And this place is gorgeous, look at that. And I'll tell you another thing, there is no shortage of gators. This new seat that I'm on is from a company called Leader, and it is all kinds of comfortable. The butt cushion could be a little thicker. So far I'm liking it. I'm comfortable, good back support. I've got 5 herniated discs in my lumbar, and so I need a comfortable seat, and this is doing me dude. This is doing me good. If you want to get one for your yak, I will leave a link in the description below. It's not bad. It lets me fish this whole doohickey. There we go. Oh, I wasn't even looking. I think he's bow hooked. He was just swimming by. Oh no. Woo, that's a big one. Hot dang. Beetle spin. Look at that. Look at that rod bend. Look at that rod bend on the micro. Y'all? Alright. Dang, I might need to use my whatever that's called up there. Hold on, dude. I said hold on. All 3 of these hooks got them, y'all. There we go. That was a big ant. All right, 3 catfish in the books.